and I'm delighted to be here today at the launch of this industry forum for cancer. Welsh Government, the NHS in Wales are really keen to work with industry partners on some really important topics of our time. Cancer we're discussing today is still a major health problem in Wales, and we know we can't deal with it on our own. We need our colleagues who produce the new technologies, the new drugs, the new treatments to work really closely with us so we can diagnose patients much quicker and give them really effective treatment. So we're really keen to show that we're open for business and we're good partners to do business with today.
I think it's been a fantastic morning. The opportunity of bringing health, Welsh Government and more importantly all of our industry partners across different sectors together, and there's a real shared buzz about how we can work together in partnership to really transform cancer outcomes and the prevention of cancer in Wales. So I think a real buzz, you can hear it going on behind us. We're going to set up an industry forum now with our partners following this morning, which will start in February, and that's how we work with different sectors across industry to really learn from their wisdom and make some rapidly transformational accelerated changes to improve the lives of our people in Wales.
I think it's really important that Wales has an industry forum network in helping to engage the challenges of cancer care, purely because this is going to take a really multidisciplinary approach to deal with the scale and the scope and the reach of the challenges we've heard today. So for me, an industry person, it's fascinating to hear horrible stats like 1 in 2 people are going to get cancer, and then amazing things like 40% are preventable, about how we've got this great contrast of a deep knowledge of biological, chemical expertise in Wales alongside the human stories, and how you need to mix up both lifestyle, about treatment, about function, and about the impact on individuals in Wales. And that needs industry, it needs healthcare, it needs academia, it needs all partners to talk to each other for that.